our first captain on the stage, Toastmaster Shushmita. We would like to see you, Shushmita. I'll just do the. So please introduce your team to us, Shushmita, quickly.
Hello
Shushmita,
everyone.
what we have in first round. After that, once I announce the first round, you guys can, if you want, you can send both your contestants will go into the breakout room with two extra members. So let's begin. So this is round number one. It is being played for 10 points. Okay. So this particular round is known as airplane crash. So I hope both the captains know what is airplane crash. This round is for 10 points. So you have 30 seconds to think, Karthik and Shushmita, who is coming from your team for this particular one. And if it is a guest or a alumni Toastmaster, you have to tell me in advance so that the judge will hear it and add those extra 2 points. So who is coming from which team? Are over there. So we are safe for with this particular topic.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So Mansa, here is your new topic. So there is a bunker which has a capacity. The plane has already crashed. So you have an option to keep in that particular bunker only 3 people. One has to be you, and other than you, there has to be 2 other people only. So I will give you a list of the people who are there in this particular bunker. You can hide. So in the night, wild animals will come and eat off the rest of them because there is nowhere to hide. The plane has crashed. You are right over there in the middle of the jungle. It's an island basically. There are a lot of snakes over there. So you can save 3 people because you found a bunker. You will close it and hide inside it. So the first person is the pilot. The second person is a 2-year-old girl. The third person is a politician. The fourth person is an army man. The fifth person is a pregnant woman. So out of these 5 people, you are the sixth person. I'll repeat it once again. The first person is the airplane pilot. The second person is a 2-year-old girl. The third person is a politician. The fourth person is an army man. And the fifth person is a pregnant woman. So you do not know how many days are you going to stay on this particular island. So you can save 2 people other than you. You have to save yourself and you can pick any 2 from here. And why would you do that is what we would like to know. So over to Toastmaster Mansa.
Thank you very much, Joy, for this topic. First of all, I'm very glad and happy and privileged that I got an opportunity to save myself. And this is my moment to actually save other 2 from the list of people that I was given. And my choice will be the pregnant woman and the small little girl. And I will tell you first, I will let you know why I don't want to save the rest. And I will tell you why I want to save these 2. Firstly, the reason army man, so the very fact that the army people are already inclined and prepared to actually sacrifice their lives for people. I'm sure even if I want to save the army man itself come voluntarily and want to save the rest. So rather than having that hassle of army want to save army man and army man want to save the rest, I guess I am being in the shoes of army man because he is the one who wants to save the rest. So that's why my option will not be an army man. And second, because the plane has already crashed, at that point of time, I don't see a need to actually save the pilot. And thirdly, politician. I guess even if one politician is not there, the task that or the situation that he is in, I guess the other politicians in his party can take care of it. But with coming to little girl and the pregnant woman, as it goes, I'm saving 2 lives instead of it's not one. So I guess I don't have to give any reasoning on why I really want to save the pregnant woman. And coming to the small little girl, I'm seeing myself in her. She might have a lot of dreams, aspirations. She hasn't seen the life yet. She did not study. She did not enjoy her childhood. She did not enjoy her teenage. She's not married. Hasn't done anything professionally. Maybe the fact that if I had saved her, she might understand that, hey, somebody has saved me and then somebody else has sacrificed my life, and then I have a lot to do in this world. And then you might see her as a grown-up who really wants to be there for somebody. I think from childhood, if you can inculcate that thought in that particular child and the pregnant woman and the newly born child, I'm sure the world will become a better place. So that's the reason and the rationale behind my choices. Over to you, Joy.
Okay, that was amazing. Toastmaster Mansa, wonderful. So we will quickly get the next contestant, Toastmaster Bhageshri, into the main room, and you can get everybody else back from the waiting room or the breakout room. So once they're here, please spotlight them quickly so that I can give them the topic as well.
Janvi has to do it. She's the host.
Okay, Janvi. Just close the breakout room and they will be here. So Captain, please confirm once your contestant is here.
They are here.
She's here.
Okay. So Zoom Master, can you kindly spotlight Toastmaster
Yes.
Bhageshri? So here goes our new dynamic lady, Toastmaster Bhageshri. You have been picked up intentionally, and you know why. To go for the first round, say with Mansa, and that speaks volumes about both of you. If people have picked you up intentionally and challenged you, that is wonderful. So you ready? So can we
Am I
just?
audible?
Yes, you are audible, loud and clear.
Are you
You'll
able
be-
to see the timer card?
Bhageshri, you're able to see the timer card?
Yes, I can.
Okay, awesome. So here is your topic. So just in the middle, if you find that your video is getting stuck, you can turn off your video. No problems with that at all. You can. As of now, it's doing good, but it's showing me a pop-up that Bhageshri's network bandwidth is low. If you just feel that it's getting stuck, you can pause your video. Otherwise, we are good to go. So here is your topic. So there has been a plane crash, and Bhageshri, you were in that particular plane. So there were 6 people who fell and finally who did not die in the plane crash. So I'll give you a list of those 6 people. One of them is you, and other than you, there are 5 more people. So you accidentally found an old bunker in which you can hide throughout the night, because this particular island has a lot of wild animals who can eat off people who are in the open, or snakes can bite. So you have 5 people and you have the privilege to save any 2 of them. Why would you like to save those 2 is what we would like to know. You have to save yourself and you have to save any one of those 2. Fine. So I'll give you the list of the people who we have. So the first person is the pilot of the plane. The second person is a 2-year-old girl. The third person is a politician. The fourth person is an army man. And the fifth person is a pregnant woman. So you have a bunker, you have to save yourself. That's a mandatory thing. And other than you, you can save 2 other people. Who would they be? Over to you, Toastmaster Bhageshri.
So there are 3 people that can be saved, including myself.
Yes.
Okay. Table topic master, Toastmaster Joy, and all the fellow stadium watchers of the IPL. Very good morning to all of you. So unfortunately, I was a part of a plane crash, and now we've all landed into a lone island. And when I've got an opportunity to save 2 people, amongst a pilot, a 2-year-old girl, a politician, army man, and a pregnant woman, the people I choose or I wish to save are: the first is the 2-year-old girl. Because if you see the pilot, politician, and army men are somebody who are trained, good enough, strong people who can survive this weird condition. Who have seen a span of life where they know what to deal with situation. But this poor 2 little girl is unaware of what life is giving her at this point. So the first choice would be the 2-year-old girl. And second would be a person who's in a condition where she needs a lot of support, the pregnant woman. So considering the situation that she requires not just mental but health support as well. So I would like to take these 2 people and put in a safer spot, even if it puts myself in jeopardy. Because I'm sure the pilot is good enough trained to get out of this situation. The army man is so strong that he can survive. And politician, I'm sure there are people sending out help to him already. So let me get the privilege to save these 2 people along with myself and make a better life and a better place over there for some time. Over to you, Toastmaster Joy.
Awesome. Thank you. That was wonderful. So judges, I would like you to quickly send me the text of your score. So we will give judges 15 seconds of time because there are only 2 contestants. So officially the first round of our battle is over. So let's